So if you have melasma or hyperpigmentation and you're spending all this money and time trying to get rid of your dark spots and they just don't get better, one of the reasons might be your moisturizer. Did you know that fatty acids in your moisturizer will inactivate the skin lightening ingredients in your serums that are supposed to get rid of your dark spots? They will. In fact, most moisturizers do. It is very difficult to find a moisturizer that's specifically made to make your skin brighteners work better. So you want to look for moisturizers that have unsaturated fatty acids like linoleic acid, because linoleic acid actually blocks the enzyme tyrosinase and helps your skin lightening products work better, while saturated fatty acids like stearic acid and a lot of the common ones in moisturizers, these saturated fatty acids will actually make tyrosinase work better, which makes you make pigment. So that means your moisturizer would be inactivating your skin lightening ingredients. So moral of the story is look for linoleic acid and unsaturated fatty acids in your moisturizers if you're trying to get rid of dark spots on your skin.